Hi guys, welcome back. How y'all guys doing? Thank you. And before I start, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my supporters. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, you want to learn about manifesting with journals or manifesting tip, you are at the right channel. So please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it. All right, guys, let's get started. Now, today we're going to talk about the 5 times 5 5. Now, this is a technique that a lot of people are talking about on YouTube. I did a video on this before, but I just wanted to talk about it again because a lot of people are new into this and they don't know how to do certain manifesting technique, especially with writing. And the 5 times 5, and guys, number 5 is a meaning of change, transformation. So what it is, I have a journal, okay? And this is how I do the technique 5 times 5 5. So what I do is I would write the affirmation or whatever desire or goal or dream I want to manifest. I'm going to write it 55 times. Okay, and when I write it 55 times, while I'm writing it, I am so focused on that affirmation. I am so focused on that statement, and that emotion that I get from whatever desire is gonna be building up in me. The number one thing with manifesting, with any technique, is that emotion, that feeling you have behind it. So when you write the statement, the affirmation 55 times, you while you looking at it, you writing it, that's the whole point of the exercise, for you to focus. And we manifest by repeating and to our subconscious, repeating it. That's the whole point of these different techniques. So we write it down 55 times, we build that emotion up. After we write it 55 times, then that's me personally, I read it out loud 3 times. Each statement, one by one, each time. And then I go to the next day that I write it. You write it for 5 days, 55 times. Okay, everybody does it differently, but you have to find your own technique. What goes with you, what makes you feel good. The number one thing is, how does it make you feel? That's the most important thing, okay? Because the whole thing is your emotion, the feeling. It's really the feeling you getting from that desire, that dream. That's what you're going for. All right, guys? All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!